price. Today we are going towards the beach.
Which beach?
So this is the second beach. This is the second beach that we are going to show you. This beach called Sunrise Beach. Okay, let's go. So as you can see, we are in the middle of the resort. So this is the special way to go to the Sunrise Beach here in Koh Lipe. Here we go. Wow. Wow, look at this color here in Sunrise Beach. Ah. OMG, it's so green. Look. Oh my gosh. Huh? So they have restaurant here, Sea to Moon. Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. Welcome to Sunrise Beach. Huh? Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. So here look at their clear water. They have also clear water here in Sunrise Beach. Look, they have nice resort, so you can book here if you are planning to come here in Koh Lipe. So this is close to Malaysia. So they have different kind of sand here, not the same in Pattaya Beach. In Pattaya Beach they have powdery sand, but here it's different. It's more on like the sand that we use in for building a house. But there are many boats here. I don't know why, maybe because they use this to transfer to another island.
Yeah, they take boat trips.
Ah, they take boat trips. Look how clear their water here. Oh my gosh, so clear. And they have yellow umbrella plane. This is my first time to see plain umbrella, plain yellow umbrella. It smells gas because of the gasoline boat. And there is no waves here. The ocean is calm, and look, green here, blue and green and blue. It's so nice. And look at this, they have special boat, Yada, Blue Sea, and Daman. It looks like for a wedding, you know. I'm gonna show you later the house that I saw. It looks like a nest, and it's connected to the tree. Yeah. Oh, I saw one trash here, plastic. I'm picking up trash.
Very nice.
looks like a nest. Oh my gosh, this one, look. Near here, look, it's on the, see, they use the look at this, see, did you see this? Nice, no? Look, it's nice. Oh, they are so creative. Okay, so let's continue from there and then go and then until there. The beach is nice, the water, but just like what I said, boat is everywhere, you know. And they have also small island, 1, 2, 3. See, they have 3 islands. I think you can walk. It looks like you can walk because it's all green, but there it's blue. It might be deep, so bring your snorkeling glasses. They have different sand here, no? Look, it's more on
A bit more coarse.
coarse.
Yeah, not so fine.
Yeah, it's a bit more coarse, not so fine, but it's still nice because it's white and it didn't affect the color, the color of the water. Do you think the color of the water is because of the sun and the clouds? For me, I think so, because sun is so magical. When there is no clouds, then the beach, the water is perfect, beautiful, nice, amazing. Don't worry, they are also selling food here. That means they have restaurant where you can eat, and place to sleep is everywhere as well. So this beach is a little bit long, so it takes a long time for us to tour you everyone. Did you enjoy? Tell me if you enjoy watching this video. Oh, I'm sorry about the rope. They have a lot of rope here just because of the boat. By the way, when you are not staying here or you are staying on the right of the pier, then you have to walk for not that long, half an hour. Yeah, half an hour. We're supposed to go to another beach, which is sunset beach, but we saw something there and it's not good for showing you everyone. Maybe we will go back there if it's all clear, you know. That's why we did not see much people going there. It's because of something. So now it's your time to just watch, enjoy. I will not enjoy the ocean. I don't know if this, I think this beach is long, and I saw another beach there right on the mountain. Right on the coconut. Huh? Taxi boat for Kuhadang. Here is dive resort. If you want, if you would like to dive, then just come here. So we will stop here